That's right, another completely original and never before done unboxing video, because today we are unboxing and slapping on the all-new SmallRig full cage for our Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Hello again YouTube, my name is Matt and welcome back to Viva Media. If you want to see more videos pertaining to video production, camera gear, and everything in between, please subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Cameras and camera gear is probably the biggest investment we or anyone involved in video production or photography can make. And like a good investment, we like to protect ours as best we can. So in order to do that, no matter what cameras we have in our arsenal, we get camera cages to protect our gear and make them more versatile. Specifically, cages and accessories from SmallRig. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so here we have the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro full cage. We have the Arri locating top handle because this has Arri locating screws on the top. And we have the SmallRig Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro sun hood as well. The 6K full cage. Big fan of SmallRig, love SmallRig. Kind of like our love for Blackmagic, they have an ecosystem that just meshes so well with one another. So let's see what we got here. We got our Pocket 6K here so we can outfit it. Look at this. A full-blown experience in a box. There we go. So that's the cage itself. Super, super nice build. Kind of a build you'd come to expect from SmallRig. 3/4 inch threads all over the thing. On the side, on the top, we've got Arri locating pins on there. Aluminum metal construction. And I like this little wood touch at the top. That's nice. And yeah, we've got a hot shoe or a cold shoe built in right over there. We've got an adapter for a Samsung T5 SSD built into the cage. I know a lot of people use those. So let's go ahead and put this baby into the cage. If one Allen key wasn't enough, there's usually one on the bottom built into the cage. So you always have one on you. I love that SmallRig does that. Okay, so here we've got our Pocket 6K Pro. We're gonna slide it in here. Nice snug fit. 2 screws on the bottom. I really like that the Pocket 6K Pro came with 2 tripod mounting screws. Super, super important when it comes to stability, because if it's one, it can pivot around and get really loose. So two points of contact, always better. And that is ready. So this is a full cage, but it does have screws here and here for this Allen key that you can take off and make it a half cage. So it's a full cage, it's a half cage, it's whatever you want it to be. And let's pull out our handle. I really wanted to get an Arri locating handle because this has Arri locating pins on top. We've got Arri locating pins on the front. We've got Arri locating pins on top, Arri locating pins. We've got a cold shoe at the back. We've got a safety release cold shoe at the front. Nice little wood accent handle underneath there. We've got a nice little beefy rig. We also got a sun hood. It feels like leather. Pleather sun hood. I will say, I like the feel. I like the feel of this. It doesn't feel like a cheap little plastic. It's nice, it's solid, it's sturdy. Look at that, sun hood. Our little tilting sun hood. It feels good, it looks good, throw a lens on the front of that and you're good to go. We are going to do a build rig out video in the coming days showing you how to rig out your Pocket 6K Pro with SmallRig Accessories, so keep an eye out for that. I freaking love this thing, it looks great, and I love it so much that we got 2. We got another cage for our other Pocket 6K Pro. Do you think you'll be getting any of this equipment for your Pocket 6K Pro? Definitely let us know. Let's chat in the comment section below and see what kind of ultimate rig we can come up with. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Matt, we are Viva Media, and we will see you in the next video. I'm gonna go shoot some things. Bye.